EPS, or earnings per share, is a financial metric used to compare companies. Earnings per share is calculated as a company's profits divided by the number of outstanding common stock shares. EPS is calculated with the following formula. Earnings per share equals net income minus preferred dividends divided by weighted average of shares outstanding. EPS indicates profitability, saying that for each share, the company earned X number of dollars in profit. Companies want to maximize this number, indicating that they are earning large profits for each share that they have issued. When a company has high earnings per share, investors are willing to pay more per share as the expected profit will be higher. This is very helpful when deciding in between companies to invest in. EPS is most useful when comparing companies in the same industry. Companies that are in the same industry and are direct competitors tend to have similar cost structures, and as a result, their profits are comparable. For example, let's look at Uber and Lyft. They offer similar products to each other and have similar revenue streams. Additionally, their cost structures are pretty similar. As a result, their EPS are very comparable. When considering companies across industries, EPS is not a great method of comparison. Companies in different industries will have different cost structures, and therefore their EPS is not comparable. As a result, an EPS of $5 per share may be a strong EPS in one industry, but a poor EPS for another industry. Beyond simple comparison, EPS is an important metric in calculating the price to earnings ratio. This ratio tells you how much the market is willing to pay per share for each dollar of profit.